Welcome back to SPON Academy. Today, we'll be diving into the XC-9508 IP amplifier. This robust 1U rack mountable device combines a preamp, network audio decoder, and high-power amplifier into a single unit, simplifying your audio setup and delivering exceptional performance. First, let's take a look at the interface of the device. At the front panel, we can see there are 5 indicator lights. These indicators are important for troubleshooting, since the status of the device will be showing here. This is the power indicator. The red light is normally on when the amplifier is powered on. And this is the status indicator. Green light normally on when online, red light normally on when offline. The signal indicator will detect audio signal input. No light when there is no signal input. Green light normally on when there is signal input. The clip indicator's red light is normally on when the amplifier is overloaded. If the device is malfunctioning, the protect indicator yellow light will light up. Now let's take a look at the interfaces. It has one LAN interface for data transmission. Also, it has one relay input and output interface. You can connect alarm button or other alarm signal to the input, and strobe light or electronic lock to the output. And another relay output with DC 24 volts output. You can connect the fire alarm buzzer to this port. This USB port is reserved for future function design. One mic in port for microphone or other audio sources, and to line in and line out interface for audio source and external amplifier. These knobs can adjust the volume of the mic and line input. For the mute knob, when the mic input signal came in, it will automatically mute AUX1 and AUX2. Clockwise rotation will increase the mute depth. Counterclockwise rotation will decrease the mute depth. And speaker output for constant voltage speaker. And finally, power switch and power input for the device. Now let's take a look at the functions of the XC-9508. The built-in network audio decoder allows the device to receive and decode digital audio streams from XC-9000 server. This enables you to distribute audio content to multiple locations over your network. As we mentioned in the previous section, XC-9508 has one mic input and to line input, so which means it can connect audio source like microphone and PC at the same time, and output to the speakers. And we also mentioned at the interface introduction that XC-9508 can lower or mute the line input when the mic signal came in. Now I will be demonstrating how to broadcast with XC-9000. First, let's take a look at the device we are going to be using for this demonstration. One PC as the platform server, and one IP amplifier XC-9508 and speaker. One network switch for IP amplifier and PC. Connect the XC-9508 amplifier's LAN port to the PC. Connect the power cable and turn on the power switch. Change the PC's IP address to 192.168, one network segment, which is 192.168.1.2 to 192.168.1.54. Since the device's default address is 192.168.1.101, I'm going to set it to 192.168.1.200. So now this IP address will also be the XC9000 server IP. Now, open your browser and input the device's default IP address, 192.168.1.101. Log in with the username and password, admin. In the basic settings, network parameter, you can configure the device's IP address, gateway, and subnet mask. Here, I'm going to change it to 192.168.1.150 as example. The device will restart after click Save. Wait for a while, then log in again with the new IP address. Back to basic settings and go to server parameter. Set the SIP server IP to the XC-9000 server IP, which in here is the PC's address, 192.168.1.100, and config a terminal ID. I'm going to set it to 10. And click Save to save the configuration. After device is configured, let's open up the XC-9000 server. Find the correct IP address. After all the servers are checked, let's open the XC-9000 webpage. Open your browser and input 192.168.1.100. Log in the admin account. Check the terminal status. As you can see, the device is successfully online with ID number 10. Connect the PC and IP amplifier to the same switch. Now connect the speaker to the amplifier's speaker output port. Make sure connect the correct polarity that's displaying on the amplifier. After everything is ready, let's play an audio file in XC-9000 to the amplifier. Now I will show you how to broadcast with local audio source that directly connected to the amplifier. In this demonstration, we're just gonna add one microphone as external audio. We don't need extra audio cable for it since it already has the cable connected. This time the PC will be the external audio player, and one RCA to 3.5mm audio cable to connect the PC to the amplifier. Connect our CA to 3.5mm audio cable to the amplifier and the PC. Before making any connection, make sure to mute all the audio source's volume by turning left to prevent any damage on the speaker when playing audio. Connect the microphone 6.5mm cable to the mic port. Now let's turn on the volume. It's best to testing the audio while you increasing the volume, so you can find the best suitable volume. As you can see, I've turned the mute knob to maximum, so when I speak to the microphone, my PC audio volume will decrease to minimum. Now let's test it out.
Hello, hello, testing, testing, 1, 2, 3.
As you can see, when it no longer received microphone signal, the audio volume back to normal. In this video, we've learned the details about XC-9508, including its hardware interface and functions, like platform and local audio source broadcasting. And last, we demonstrated how these functions works. That's all for today's lesson. For more information, please visit our website www.sponcom.com. Thank you for watching.